In this video, I'll show you how to use Keyword Planner for Google Ads. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the left menu, click the Tools icon, then select Keyword Planner under the Planning section. Next, choose Discover New Keywords if you want to find keyword ideas, or select Get Search Volume and Forecasts if you already have a list of keywords to analyze. After that, enter a product, service, or website related to your business, then click Get Results. Now review the keyword suggestions. You can see estimated monthly searches, competition, and other metrics to help you choose the most relevant keywords for your campaigns. Next, use the filters to narrow your results by location, language, search network, or keyword match. Add the keywords you want to your plan as you review the suggestions. Finally, download your keyword ideas or use them directly when creating a Google Ads campaign to help improve your targeting. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Keyword Planner for Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.